Back of it, see? I could use the edge of it by doing this, and he could feel it right away there, without, without grabbing it or, holding the hand. So instead of doing this, is what I did is this one. I move on this side. I put this one down on this side, and then I'll grab one of the fingers, and then just look at this. I'll just let it inside, and then just grab this one down.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Okay, see that? As soon as you grab it, you are pointing this one on top, like that. See that? So again, so this one, bang, bang, center. Let them go down a little bit, and then move your elbow up, down there. And then, as you know, when I do the traps, I make it sure that most of the time both hands are trapped together. Because I want it to be clean. See, and it's very, very, very effective in the sense that this always this one up like this, right? We're there. One of the six that you're right now, the one that we were practicing. Okay. Okay. So here, you get this one down, release. As soon as you release it, pick it there. Okay. So this will be the number one. So here, there. For number two, same principle. You give this one down, you release, he grabs it. You're there. Okay? So, number three, bang. As soon as he grabs it, you pull this one down, like this, you grab it there. Okay? This will be the number three. See this? Moving like that one, and then I'm moving this, okay? Let's move it this way. Okay. This will be the, and then number four. So as soon as this comes in, you give this one, release it, you block it that way, I move on this. See this? And then I'll